Uh, don't tell your name, but tell the name of the college, name of the place, and other things. And introduce yourself. Uh, okay, whatever you can share openly. This is the first time or second time you are taking
Yes,
it.
sir. Actually, it's my first time, so I'm feeling kind of nervous.
No, don't feel nervous. And when is your interview date is not announced? No?
Sir, it's on 28th.
Babre. Then why did you postpone all these days? Doesn't matter. Now, please introduce yourself.
Sir, I'm Arya. I'm from Malappuram, Kerala. As I have completed my post-graduation in physics from MES KVM College, Valancheri. It's my native place. As coming to my family, I have a nuclear one who always taught me to be in the imperfect way I am and to improve myself day by day. My family consists of my father, mother, and his sister. She's married, and I have a niece. As coming to my hobbies, I love cooking. It feels like a stress relief, fun and thing for me. I love the way my parents and my um, uh, relatives means give good comments about what I cook and prefer the way I cook. Then I also love to watch makeup tutorials in YouTube. Uh, and coming to my strength, I'm a self motivator. Then that's all from my side, sir. Thank you.
See, you are in a hurry to complete it. No, doesn't matter. Normally, they won't allow even this much time in the real interview. So, but there is no need for you to say only this much, sir. Just smile and stop with that. They will say, they will go to the next question. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So all that you said, fine. I will give corrections later on in the end. Now, next one. You did well. You did well. You talked nicely. I think you are attending our classes, no? Interview class.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That will
I'm
certainly.
attending the interview class.
Yeah. Have you watched all the videos or a few videos at least?
Yes, sir. I have watched most of them.
Very good.
But sir, the main problem is till half an hour before I was fine. I was preparing and I have prepared banking awareness and all kind of stuff. But as the time is coming, everything is blank inside my head. It's nothing inside right now.
That is because you are a science student and also you do not have much exposure in talking in English or a lack
Yeah.
of confidence. What is your father?
My father is an ex-serviceman.
Oh, great, great. He has been serving for the country. Was he in
Yes.
army or navy?
Army, sir.
Oh, great. Who is the in charge of army now?
So I don't know.
Manoj Pandey, somebody. You must know these things. These are routine things. For example, chief of army,
Okay.
navy, and all that. You must know. India chief of army, Manoj Pandey, General Manoj Pandey.
Okay, sir.
Note it. General Manoj Pandey. There can be a reference about Mr. Bipin Rawat also.
Yeah.
Why? Who was he? What was he?
Uh,
Bipin Rawat was the chief of defense staff.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
He was the first chief of defense staff. He died recently in
Yeah.
Ooty, a helicopter crash.
Yes.
Because when you say army, this is what is coming to my mind immediately. Mostly others also will get something like this or some other point they have read recently. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now tell me, how many siblings do you have?
So I have only one.
No, this answer is not complete. You should tell, I have one elder brother. I have a
Okay.
younger sister. Something like that. If you say it is complete, what is the answer for this?
So I have an elder sister.
Oh, is she married?
Yes, she is.
She is working.
Yeah, she's a teacher in a CBSE school.
Oh, teacher. Good, good, good. Very nice.
Yes.
You also have studied MSc Physics. Why don't you go for teaching?
No, sir. I think I will do better as a banker than a teacher.
So, what do you think is the job role of a bank probationary officer?
So I think it's more about the customers. We should, as a probationary officer, we should be able to handle the queries of the customer and be a good team leader. Should also control and take care of the other team leaders, team members, their problems. Then we should also keep a good customer rating
Mm,
and should be able to pitch our products to them.
mm,
That's all. So,
mm. Yeah, yeah. No, no, but still more, you can try to narrate slowly, step by step. What are the normal, you are, which bank do you have an account?
so in Punjab National Bank,
Have you ever visited Punjab National Bank?
once with one of my friends, I have visited.
Oh, acha. Why? Only once you visited for opening the account only.
Yeah.
Hmm. Why, after that, why you have not gone?
So actually, in my family, most of them prefer public sector banks. So we always take accounts and do transaction by preferring public sector. So I never been into a private.
No, no, I was asking whether you have visited Punjab National Bank branch.
Yes, sir. I mean, as for a few most of the time, when I have any queries or any other things, I
Oh,
visited the.
very good. You took the question to be, have you visited Federal Bank branch, which I normally ask in
Yeah.
other interviews. So you have not visited. Which is the nearest branch for you?
Uh, so in our town, there is nearest one is Punjab National Bank is the nearest. Then we also have Federal Bank, SBI.
No,
I'm
no.
I live in mostly as near to the town, so we have most of the banks
No,
here.
no. I asked you, what is the nearest branch of Federal Bank?
Nearest branch of Federal, we have a branch of Federal Bank in Valancheri.
Very good. You have not visited that. Good. You told me you have not visited that. No problem.
Yes.
Absolutely no problem. Good. So are you very happy about joining Federal Bank?
Yes, so I will very much be pleasured if I get the opportunity to be a part of that amazing and wonderful private sector bank.
What made you think so?
So I think that I have been going through their site. I have been seeing their customer service, and some of my friends work in Federal Bank, so they have explained that work experience, their exposure, in an amazing way that I feel greatly interested to be want to work there.
Your friends are working as clerks or as officers?
No, one of my friend is working as a probationary officer, and
Acha?
one is working as a clerk.
Then you must be able to tell me the role of probationary officer still more clearer. Okay.
Yeah.
For
Yes,
example,
the
receiving the customers with a smile, explaining to
smile.
them
Yeah.
various schemes, and request them to open accounts with us, help them in opening of the account, in fulfilling KYC formalities. And
Yes, sir.
the main job is acquisition of customers to our fold. Say
Yes,
maybe
sir.
for savings bank account or current account or fixed deposit, or say bank assurance policies or mutual fund products. So you must try to canvas. policies from them. Do you have a desire for selling or making marketing as your career?
So yes, I think I can do it pretty well because I have a good interpersonal communication skills. I think that in a motivational manner, I always motivates my friends, make them understand that what is best for them. So in that point of view, I think that by using that kind of talks, I can also pitch products if I am into that.
Good. Now tell me, what is the difference between selling, say, a commodity like a cell phone, then say phone or television, refrigerator, and selling banking products?
So before as my knowledge is concerned, as by selling a commodity, we should it is both of them are in a kind of way, both of them are similar, because we are trying to understand the necessities of that particular customer who is going to purchase it and pitch that product accordingly. But in come to commodities, we have further classifications, and if a person in need of fridge or television comes to us, we according to its price, what kind of thing he want, what kind of clarity he want, whether he want HD clarity, whether he prefer a small common TV. That's all depends upon even in case of commodities. But in case of services provided by bank, we should check their previous savings account, what are the purpose they have been into, they have come into bank, what are their what are their uh, uh, I
Yeah.
didn't get the correct word. What they prefer,
No, no.
what are the services, what they yes, sir.
Listen, Arya, this question you have
Yeah.
taken so much lengthy. You have talked for 1.5 minutes, but this much time they will not allow you. How can we answer it
Okay.
briefly? Shall we get from Mridula? Mridula, can you answer this question? What is the difference between selling a television and banking products? Mridula, are you there
Sir,
online? Yeah,
yes, sir.
briefly you have to
While,
tell me.
while selling television, we will first of all talk about its features
Hmm. Okay. Hello.
and its price to the customers, and
Hmm.
about the benefits they are getting. Uh,
Hmm.
yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. While selling different bank products, we are talking about the interest rates, the rate of the lending rate which the loans are giving. If we are
Hmm.
talking about the loan product, and the features, the
Hmm.
benefits they are getting after purchasing some of the products such as saving accounts and loan products. They are getting about the features such as for the saving products, they are getting the
Hmm.
transaction NEFT RTGS is available, about free check leaves are available. They will get that kinds of a lot of
Hmm.
features are there. We can talk about it.
Both
Uh,
are both of you are in science students, so you have not got the
yes, I also
important point in that. Namely, in the case of products, you are giving a product and getting money from them. You are giving
Mm.
something in turn for them. You are giving them a cell phone. You are giving them a pencil. Whereas in the case of banking, we are not giving anything. We are giving only our service. Customer is having what 10 lakhs rupees. He comes and gives it to you. You just give him the interest and the service. Do you understand the
Okay, sir.
difference? So that is
Yes,
how
sir.
you have to enjoy and talk about it. Sir, banking service, insurance service, hospital, hotels, and all these places, you don't have to tell these names. In all these places, we give only service and not any product in their hands. Do you follow, Arya?
Yes, sir.
Can you now try this question? What is the difference between, say, selling a commodity like television and selling bank products?
So as in case of selling a commodity, we are providing them a commodity. So we should first of all try to understand what are their preferences, what type of commodity there, as there is different types of. Then we should understand their needs, and accordingly we should provide the commodity. As in case of bank is providing service to the particular customer. We should check their transactions they had before, and according to their need we should try to pitch the products and try cross-selling and try to provide our best financial services for that customer.
The only thing is we are selling our services only, that only word should come. Okay, doesn't matter. Good.
Okay.
Otherwise, you did very well. Good. Now, coming to the next question. Have you gone through the balance sheet figures of our Federal Bank?
So actually, I know that the balance sheet is an accounting sheet which consists of the asset and liabilities. That's
Arya, I asked, have you gone through the balance sheet? That's all. I never asked you what is balance sheet.
sorry, sir.
So you should have
I'm
told me,
sorry.
yes, sir, I have gone through the balance sheet of figures of our Federal Bank. Then the interviewer will ask you, tell us what are the points you have seen from the balance sheet. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now tell
Definitely.
me what are the figures you remember? Do you remember profit made by our Federal Bank in the last quarter?
Profit made by Federal Bank in the last quarter was about uh, I think 601 crores, about 64% of growth.
Yeah, 601 crore. Good.
Crores.
What is the say total deposits, advances?
Total deposits was about 1,83,000 83,000 something crores.
Pardon, 1 lakh?
83,355, I think.
Oh, 1 minute. Just now I did a mistake. I cancelled one thing. Yeah. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute for 5 minutes. 1 lakh. Mridula, what is the total deposit? Yeah. Mridula.
So it is 1,83,300 crore.
This is what it is. 1 minute. Yeah, you see now. Arya. Arya Ji,
Yes, sir.
please see, this is the deposit. 1,83,300.
83,355.
Are you seeing on the screen? Are you seeing on
Yes,
the
sir.
please,
Yes.
please read it once again. The deposits recorded, please read fully.
The deposits recorded a growth of 8% to reach 1,83,355 crores as on 13th June.
That will do. As on 30th June.
Yeah.
Advances is how much? Advances. Please see this.
Advances is 1,54,392 crores.
Good. Then capital adequacy ratio.
Capital adequacy ratio is 14.57%.
Good. How many branches are there?
1,291.
Good. Very good. Excellent. Now, what are your hobbies?
So I love cooking. It gives me a peace of mind and it acts as a stress booster. Then I love to cook for my family. Then in the leisure time, I also prefer watching makeup tutorials
Mm.
and
So
motivational videos.
makeup tutorials means, do you help others take makeup, or do you take makeup for you only?
Is actually I'm a starter, so I'm just doing for myself, and sometimes I do for my mother and my sister.
Not for others on cost, correct?
Yeah, they will not be happy to take it.
Why?
So I
Why?
try to
No, no, no.
because
Don't have such a belief. If Mridula comes to your place, you must do it for her.
yes, I would love to help her, but I'm not that great in it.
No, no.
So it will.
You must have confidence. Of course, don't worry. Mridula will not come. She is quite far away from you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's what it is. Anyhow, nice. You talked very well. No problem. Except that somewhere, while introducing, you were telling, I am more interested in perfect something, but that was heard as imperfect. IMPERFECT. So
Yeah.
pronunciation wise, probably I am getting it differently. If he is a Malayali, he will understand probably that. That one
So
only that one only mistake I could see. And
so actually,
yeah,
it is my first interview, and this is my first mock interview. So I thought that I will be okay, I'll be comfortable. Actually, I was preparing for a few days, but the time arrived, I feel like pretty much nervous. My heartbeat is racing and all, and a single word is not coming out of my mind.
that is why I suggested you to take one or two interviews so that you develop confidence and speak. Doesn't matter. Good. You did not do badly. It was good only. Mridula, how did you feel about our Arya?
Yes, her performance was good.
See how
I
happy,
liked it.
how happy am I?
But
Mridula is one of the positive girls. Very positive. I have not seen her. I'm not going to see her forever, but very positive person she is. So that way, you also feel happy, Arya. Be confident.
yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. So I have to do. I feel like, and I think I should do my best, but in some point of time, I feel a little bit negative that I'm not good
No, no,
enough,
no. But
and all this kind overthinking.
why this is very important. Here, the competition is quite lesser than the competition in public sector banks, where lakhs and lakhs of people will be writing. So here is an opportunity, you must get it. For example, in the campus recruitment and in this recruitment, number of people appearing is very less, whereas
Yes, sir.
there the competition will be very severe. Okay, best wishes. You have done very well. Arya, if you want, you can
Yes,
come
sir.
for the next interview also. Same,
So I definitely want to come. I feel like
no,
I
no,
have to come to your interview every day.
same. You attend the interview, watch them, and only very
Mhm.
rarely I will ask questions like what I did in the case of Mridula. Best wishes, Mridula. Thank you so much for coming and encouraging our friend Arya. God bless you. Bless
So
both of
I
you.
have to say thank you for calling me. It is,
Thank, thank
thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
And
Bye.
I would like to thank her that she gave me a wonderful review.
Yeah. No, not wonderful review. Here you will say, I would like to thank Mridula for giving an encouraging comments, encouraging
Okay,
remarks.
sir.
Very good. Good. Arya, you did well. God bless you. Bye.
So thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Is- Sir,
Yeah. What do you want? Tell me.
sir, how should I, ask to speak? Actually, I have prepared well, but I'm not able to speak it in a correct manner, the way I prepared.
No,
So what should I do?
only practice. Stand before a mirror and start talking and watch
Okay,
a
sir.
few of the videos. Yesterday, I have posted 5 or 6 videos. Some of the English graduate girls, they have talked very nicely. Please watch that.
Okay,
Yesterday's
sir.
videos. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.